So coming to the treatment options for azoospermia, most importantly we have the medical management and we have the surgical management. Medical management will help in patients who have around some kind of a mild to moderate azoospermia. It's not always important that medical line of management will help in every patient, but it is suggested that a patient should take at least 3 to 6 months of medical management before going for any active intervention in terms of IVF and further detailed surgeries like a PISA or a TISA or a micro TISA. So there are various options available in the market, like you can go for some antioxidants, like there is evidence and there is literature which says that CoQ enzyme, levocarnitine, lycopene, folic acid, these are certain antioxidants which help in improving the sperm parameters. Also, in certain selective cases, we can give some kind of hormonal therapy in the form of HMG injections. Also, there is HCG injections. But of course, these decisions have to be taken properly with the help of a good andrologist and a good IVF specialist. As in, not every patient we cannot give a blanket therapy to every patient. Every patient we have to give an individualized treatment protocol and then go further. Once we have done good amount of medical management, around 2 to 3 months of good medical therapy, then we can plan for something called as a testicular biopsy, which we call TISA, in which we, with the use of a needle, we go inside the testis and we try to extract some sperm and see if there is any sperm production. Even if it's 1, 2, whatever number of sperms, we can go ahead with that. Not just that, it is a decision taken by the andrologist and the IVF specialist whether the patient should be taken up for a TISA or should go for a more advanced procedure called as a micro TISA. So these are decisions which have to be made together, sit across the table with the couple and try to understand what are the success rates, what are the chances of getting a sperm in such cases, and then we can proceed with the management.